a video about making videos. What I'm gonna do with my class, and maybe it'll be helpful for some of you guys to kind of see this model here. If I go to Schoology and log in, um, my class is going to be set up like this, right? So what I'm having here, the very first thing is my AUP, and then I'm going to have a start here video, and that's going to be. So my class here is going to start with this video at the top, and I want to show you guys how to use these videos in a bunch of different ways. My students, when they come into the room, my expectation is going to be that they are going to watch the video instructions and complete the assignment for that day. And the reason that I'm doing that is because in the event that we go all virtual, I think that it would be useful to have them trained to know where they can get the information from virtually. Okay, so that's the first video right there that I have set up. And you can see here that it'll play in line in Schoology. The kids, that's me talking. That's me talking over me talking. So, and you can see that it plays right there in line. The kids don't have to go anywhere else. Okay. Now, something for an assignment. If I go to my syllabus here, I have a syllabus video right at the top where I'm talking about the syllabus, and the kids will watch that. And then I have a syllabus quiz, and I have a parent info sheet and an introduce yourself assignment, right? So if I go to the introduce yourself assignment, you can see that I have a video here walking the kids through how I want them to make that slideshow. Okay, so I know it seems like a pain and we all don't want to be YouTubers, but it's going to save you so much time because you can point to things, and you can provide examples to the students, and you don't have to write out all of the things that I'm saying here, right? So I'm going to show you how to do this in real time. And let's see here. So after you finish making a video in Loom, we're going to have to, so here's the first hiccup in this whole thing, is that this video is going to have to be in two parts, because I'm going to have to finish making this video in order to show you what happens after you make a video. So anyway, to start, you go with the Loom for Chrome extension, and you'll pop out to a place like this. I already have Chrome, so you're not going to see it look exactly like this, but you'll have a button over here that will say add to Chrome. And when you do that, it's going to ask you for some permissions. It's going to ask you for permission to use the webcam. It's going to ask you for permission to use your microphone. Give it all the permissions that it needs, okay? And it might also prompt you to download a Loom desktop app. You don't want to do that one. You just want the Chrome extension, and that's it, okay? And once you've downloaded that, there will be a little thingy that pops up over here. And that is what you click on to share your desktop and start filming a video. Okay. And when you finish filming a video, you're going to have these options down here. So if somebody were to walk in my room right now, I could pause this video and then resume it later, right? So that's a really handy feature. But once I'm finished, I can click this green checkbox. And if I screw this up so bad that I just want to throw it away and start over, I click this red X. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish part one of this video here by clicking the green checkbox. And then I'm going to show you what happens after you finish recording a video. Okay. Loom, after you download it, you're going to click this icon that's up here in the right-hand corner, and it'll give you a bunch of options for the things that you want to share. Do you want your head floating down here in the corner? like I have my head floating down here in the corner, or do you just want it to be your screen, or do you just want it to be your head, or both, right? So you have all those options. I trust you guys to navigate that. There's no real way for me to show you that. So you're on your own for that one, but that'll be enough to get you started in this format. So I'm going to click here the finish button, and then you guys will have to click on over to part 2 for what to do with the videos. Okay.